I'm excited to have taken delivery of this new plug-in fire test kiln from L&L Kilns. My smaller works fit really well in a test kiln, so I use these things constantly, and this is really the nicest one I've ever worked with. It has a really nice controller that I can even connect to our Wi-Fi. I can check the status of the kiln from my phone. It's a typical test kiln size, but the walls are thicker, so it's better insulated, which is fantastic. And the interface allows you to do all kinds of customized programs or select from a huge range of pre-programmed settings. You can chart the progress of your firings. You can save them. You can review them later. You can view this stuff on your PC or your phone. I'm so excited to use this on hopefully a daily basis.